Hi everyone. I wanted to talk about the blue label, which is this skin starter set. And I just want to mention my skin is oily, but I wanted to try this set just to see what it would do to my skin. And one thing I wanted to mention before I go into each of the different products is, despite my skin being, actually it's a combination, it's oily and dry, the starter set, this blue label, I really believe helped almost detox my skin from all the other products that I've been using that have synthetic ingredients. And for example, when I started using this, so this is all, I got all of this in June. We are now mid-September. We are at, actually the end of September. So because I only used it sparingly because I took turns with other lemongrass products I'm doing, these normally last 2 to 3 months. So if you're using it every day, and this is all the skincare, actually all the products, if you're using it every day, morning and night, then yes, it will last you 2 months. For me, because I'm trying out different products, and I like to use a lot more at night, right before I go to bed. Like I wash my face and do my routine at night. This lasted me up until the end of September, and they still smell great. I mean, look at the coconut. I still have the cream. I still have a lot more to go, but my daughter's helping me use this, and she's 10. And it's really helping her skin. But anyway, what I wanted to mention was, even though I am combination oily skin, this set, the starter skin set, I really believed detoxed my skin, to prep my skin for good ingredients skincare. And I know this because I said, way back in maybe even July, I said, well, I have all my expensive skincare still, and I said I want to use that and balance it with the lemongrass skincare routine. Well, what happened was, when I started using the lemongrass skincare routine, and the moment I used a really expensive high-end skin routine, which I buy at Nordstrom, by the way, so you can look at all those different brands. Anyway, when I would even just use the cleanser, so here's the cleanser, or even the toner, my skin started feeling like it was burning to the point where it was hurting me. And I said, we're all already at an age where I think we know when we're not doing something correctly with our skin. So I actually just stopped using my super expensive super expensive skincare and switched to all lemongrass. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do with all that skincare. But anyway, that's what I wanted to share with you before I go into it very quickly with all the different products. That was a sign to me that my skin was getting used to the really good ingredients of lemongrass spa. And I've used very expensive skincare for over 20 years. But now my skin feels great, and I'm just going to go jump in. So this is the blue line. It's our starter set. This is perfect for teens. This is perfect for preteens. My daughter has already used the cleanser and the coconut cream because she likes to wear makeup. So she uses, not all the time, but I tell her to use the cleanser and then the coconut cream as her moisturizer, and her skin still looks great, and it's safe because these are all natural. So here's the cleanser, the prebiotic facial wash, and I'm going to look at my notes. So this one is, so exactly what I was telling you with detox, it helps balance your skin. Yes, it helps balance your skin. and just and helps with cell generation. And I felt it. I really felt it. And I didn't even have to use that much. I used maybe that much. I squeezed just a little bit, and when you lather it, and I even used it on my neck, it feels great. And I use this in the shower in the morning. It's empty now, but so this was made in June 4th this year, and it still lasted this long. So just also testament to the products being natural and still working great. So here is the what we call a toner, but Lemongrass calls it the facial mist. So this is the prebiotic facial mist. So this would be your toner after the cleanser. And for this one, for the toner, this one has sea kelp. And you'll see that because of I'm not sure if we could see the brown inside. So that's normal. I mean, this is all right. The sea kelp is a natural ingredient, and that just what happens. It's nothing bad. It smells, as long as everything smells great, and they did, you could still use it. So the only ingredients for the mist is the water, coconut oil, aloe vera gel, and the sea kelp, and then the citric acid. So that's the ingredients. That's all there is on the facial mist. So I would use it all over my face, all over my neck, and behind my neck. And this is all gone. I'm already using the tea tree and citrus line for my oily combo skin, but I'll go into that later. And the next thing is is the coconut rehab cream. This is the top selling product. It is in part of the luxury skincare. So this is for all skin types. And again, coconut rehab cream. And for this one, yes, there is coconut, and it does smell like coconut. And that is the main ingredient. See, if you look here, it says, well, it's too blurry, but the main ingredient is coconut water, aloe vera, and then coconut oil. This is all an evening primrose, and that's organic. So, sorry, I dropped the mist. Anyway, so see, I still have a lot to go. And you don't have to use it after you wash your face. If you feel dry, or if you need you want to feel a little bit fresh in the middle of the day, always feel free to give your skin something yummy. And this is a top-selling product. It has electrolytes. This also has sea kelp. Yeah, electrolytes, and what Home Office said, it's like a sports drink for your skin. So this is for all skin types. And I agree. So I'll probably be using this in the morning because I like to use my heavy hitter cream at night before I go to bed. So there's the coat, and this is the luxury skincare line. So this has so many good ingredients to help with all skin types. The last thing I used to supplement my blue skincare line was the Organic Glow facial mask. This is no longer, this was only so this is also luxury skincare. This was only available in the April-May Bliss box, but I just wanted to, I'm anticipating this will come back. It's all gone. And what I liked about this mask, and I used it overnight, is that it has blue tansy. If you know what that is, it's a ultramarine blue. So it has blue tansy oil. And another good ingredient was the apricot oil and the rose hip and the white tea and the green tea. My skin loved this overnight mask. But since this isn't available, I have been using the charcoal detox. I've only used it twice. I'll be using it one more time and give my feedback on this. But so far, my skin has been loving this. You only leave it on for 10 minutes, and then I use a cold water towel to wipe everything off. And then I continue with my, it fell, but my facial mist and then my cream. But again, I'm using this now with the tea tree oil. So the mask was really good. Let's watch out for this. But I'm now using the charcoal detox mask, and there's a hydrating mask. And one thing about lemongrass products are you can use what you have if it's working for you and just include a mask. If you run out of a mask, you can replace, or not replace it, you can try a lemongrass mask. It doesn't have to be all lemongrass, but it would be nice because everything is natural, right? Natural ingredients. I'm sure my expensive skincare also has natural ingredients, yet for some reason there's some synthetic ingredients in my super expensive skincare line that somehow just made my skin react. And now I'm using the tea tree citrus. I'll go into that too, and my face feels refreshed. But anyway, I'm focusing on the blue. If you have any questions about the starter set or the blue line, if you're wanting to try or you're ready to try a new skincare line, I really highly recommend the blue line first. Again, just to detox your skin, right? Whether you have dry skin, mature skin, this is for all types. Preteen, teen, I recommend trying the blue label line first. Okay, I hope that helps. And I'm here to answer any questions you have about the products and my experience with the products I have been using so far. Thanks so much for listening. Okay, I'll talk to you soon. Okay, bye.